Hello everyone, today I'm making Vietnamese empanada. Can you see the blister on the skin? Very crusty, crispy and the flavorful stuffing inside. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. The full recipe in the description box below. I have 150 gram all-purpose flour and 15 gram of cornstarch. The cornstarch will help crispy. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 90 grams a millimeter of water. The rule of thumb that when you do the dough, add the water gradually until you feel it's right, and you might end up add more, a little bit more or a little bit less. So you combine all of them and make it into the ball like so, and let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's do the stuffing. The stuffing will have crunchy element from carrot, velvety from the potato, sweet from the meat, from the mushroom, and aromatic from the aromatic ingredients, garlic, ginger, shallot. Now, I peeled this carrot and I cut into strips and I make it small cuts. This is shiitake mushroom and wood ear mushroom. I already soaked and now just cut it small. Everything cut into small pieces. You follow with me to the end, you will see it's so easy to make the empanada and it's very good. Now I peel the onion and I chop small as well. I make this video very detailed so that everybody, just started or never made this before is also successful. No machine, no oven needed. Everything is easy. So the white onion done. Now I peel the garlic and I also cut into small pieces, just like so. You can see I use a rolling pin to pick it up a little bit. That way you will peel easily. For the ginger, not many people will use ginger in this recipe, but I like to add ginger anywhere I can because ginger is very good for you. It helps you combat the cold and it's the antioxidant. Now I'm working with the shallot, peeling it off, and I also chop it into small pieces. Oh, I forgot to mention that I added a half a teaspoon of turmeric into the dough. With the helping of turmeric, your products coming out will be beautiful color, yellow hue. If you don't like the smell of it, but you added a very small amount, it won't notice much. So after rest 30 minutes, I knead it for 5 minutes, and I let it rest again while I'm finished the stuffing. I added a little oil, and then I stir fry garlic, ginger, shallots until fragrant, and I added the onion, and then cook a little bit, and then mushroom, carrots. Now we will come to the seasoning. Remember the mixture you just cook, you need to let it cool before you add the meat into it. I have 200 grams of meat here, and half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half cup of potato hash. Like one potato, I peeled it up and I cut it into small strips, and I cook it, stir fry it just like I did with other ingredients. Now everything is ready. After you mix everything, stuffing ready, you can put the stuffing in the fridge while you're waiting, or you just leave outside if you work fast. Or if you are in hot environment, you should put in the fridge so that your stuffing fresh, not get ruined. Now I am rolling my dough. I like to roll my dough very thinly because I want not so much dough in my empanada, but you can leave your thickness like 3 millimeter, but I like as thin as possible. For this recipe, you can make 10 or more or less. It depends on the size of the empanada you made. I make this pretty big. I use the bowl that is 4.5 inches across. So pretty big, 11.5 centimeter. So pretty big empanada. Now this is traditional way to make the pleat like this. It's just like a robe. So you just go folding, and then you have the robe. That after that you are ready for frying. In the medium heat, you fry them like 3 minutes both sides, each side, until it's golden brown. If you want extra crispy, fry twice. And that's it. Now we have a taste test. I forgot to tell you that I boiled the quail eggs, and I add the quail eggs in every my empanada. That way, your stuffing will be creamy, flavorful. Now, in our country, they will eat this with vegetable and sweet and sour fish dip. But in the US, you can eat it with chili sauce or mayonnaise. I hope you like it. This is the giant empanada. Next time. I will see you next time. Bye bye.